Hey, all right, today Jack and I are going to install some front canards on his beautiful blue C8 Corvette here. Let me show you what we got. These are from Billfaro and they're just beautiful. These are carbon fiber finish. It's 2 for each side and they're going to go on real easy. They just got one little screw here at the back that goes inside the wheel well and then some double-sided tape that's back up on the front side. So that's about it. We're gonna get to it. Can you see Jack over there? Yeah, I think you can. I got my sunglasses on so I can't see poop in here. Alrighty, let's get to this. There'll be links down in the description and in the comment section. Alright, so we're ready to start. Jack's gonna take over here. I'll let him explain what he's gonna do.
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm gonna take some 91% alcohol, spray the area that we're going to be working around, trying to stick the double-sided tape to get it good and clean. Then I'll remove the 2 T15s just inside your fender. They're about the third one, second and third one up from the bottom. Remove those and the screws that they send you will fit right back in those holes and hold your canard in place. Hard to see. That's kind of light.
There we go. You want the top one first? And the bottom one first?
Yeah, I think bottom one first.
Okay. Oh crap. Right about now, the GoPro overheated and glitched to time-lapse mode, making the rest of the video pretty much unwatchable. Okay, that's okay. I'll just go through the rest of the install right now. What's left is pretty simple. But before you install the canards, I suggest that due to the provided double-sided tape not being thick enough to get a good hold, that you replace it with 2 rows of 3M double-sided tape as you see here. This will ensure a solid grip and help the canards match the contours of the fender much better. And the rest of the install is very, very simple. Just tighten the screws back into the original holes, adjust the canards to the desired angle, press firmly to stick them solidly to the fender, and you're done. Here, take a look at the finished product. As always, there will be product links in the description and the comment section. I'm Tim. See ya!